Hi and welcome to this audio direct demonstration for an aftermarket kit that we are now able to supply to owners of Bentley GT, GTC and Flying Spur vehicles between the years of 2004 and 2011. Retaining the factory functions, this is a plug and play kit, which means your original OEM camera will even work with any aftermarket unit that we supply you. Of course, steering controls will also be retained, as well as AC, fade, sound, balance and equalizer instrument functions directly from the factory. Aftermarket head units from JVC, Pioneer, Kenwood of course are available amongst others, plus Apple CarPlay and Android Auto can be found in our head units. For any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us through social media or directly on 055 33 45 481.